Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Wheelwriter here that now is just an IBM Wheelwriter because there's nothing on the label because I cleaned it and it disappeared, but I did highlight the IBM logo in black. So this machine looks much better than it did 24 hours ago. Back to being a clean, mean typing machine. The carrier's back in order, all clean and happy. Of course, now it goes back and forth without making noises. But as you can tell, it's virtually spotless now. And the whole machine is pretty good condition now. Got her cleaned up pretty good. Remember the view of that battery pack down here? All this is shiny and new again. Get the camera into focus. And one thing that comes out pretty good on these is the keyboard area. Even after all that grunge, this machine looks, you know, pretty close to new as it gets, especially from this point of view. I mean, if you look way down in the cracks down here in the bottom of the board, it's kind of still some dirt way down in there, but definitely all the surface and the whole underside of the lid is all fixed up, and also even the inside of this case is all fixed up. Let me get this thing plugged back in here. So the innards are all perfect again, and we got a happy IBM, good for another 30 years maybe. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.